Plant FAQs, Hoya Pottsii. Hoya Pottsii, a guide for plant enthusiasts. Hi, I'm Ferb Vu, and I'm a passionate plant collector with a particular fondness for Hoyas. Today, I want to delve into the fascinating world of Hoya Pottsii, a stunning Australian native known for its unique foliage and fragrant blooms. See more 566 species in genus Hoya at monsteraholic.com. What is Hoya Pottsii? Hoya Pottsii is a captivating member of the Apocynaceae family, hailing from the sunny shores of Australia. This evergreen vine boasts a variety of cultivated forms, each with its own captivating characteristics. The most recognizable feature of Hoya Pottsii is its captivating foliage. The leaves come in a vibrant shade of green, often sporting prominent raised veins that create a delightful ridge texture. The shape can vary depending on the specific cultivar, ranging from elongated and pointed to more rounded and plump. Beyond its visual appeal, Hoya Pottsii offers a fragrant reward for patient growers. When mature and under the right conditions, this beauty produces clusters of delicate white to cream-colored flowers. The blooms, often described as waxy or porcelain-like, exude a sweet, pleasant aroma that adds another layer of enjoyment. How to care for Hoya Pottsii? Like most Hoyas, Hoya Pottsii thrives with proper care. Here are some key things to keep in mind. Light. Hoya Pottsii prefers bright, indirect light. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. A well-lit room with east or west-facing windows is ideal. Temperature. This Australian native enjoys warmth. Aim for temperatures between 60 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit, 15.5 to 29.4 degrees Celsius. Avoid placing your Hoya Pottsii near drafts or sudden temperature fluctuations. Watering. Hoya Pottsii is a succulent vine and doesn't appreciate constantly soggy soil. Allow the top inch or two of the potting mix to dry out completely between waterings. When watering, soak the soil thoroughly until excess water drains from the pot's drainage holes. Humidity. While Hoya Pottsii can adapt to average household humidity levels, it flourishes in a slightly more humid environment. Grouping your Hoya Pottsii with other plants or using a pebble tray filled with water can help increase humidity around the plant. Soil. A well-draining potting mix is crucial for Hoya Pottsii. Opt for a succulent or cactus mix, or create your own by combining regular potting mix with perlite or orchid bark for added drainage. Fertilizer. During the growing season, spring and summer, a balanced fertilizer diluted to half strength can be applied monthly. However, avoid over-fertilizing, which can hinder growth and flower production. Potting. As your Hoya Pottsii matures, it may require repotting every 1 to 2 years. Choose a pot that's only slightly larger than the current one to prevent overwatering. Opt for a pot with drainage holes to ensure proper drainage. How fast does Hoya Pottsii grow? Hoya Pottsii is considered a slow to moderate grower. Patience is key when it comes to witnessing significant growth and blooms. Is Hoya Pottsii easy to care for? Hoya Pottsii is generally considered a low-maintenance plant. Following the basic care guidelines mentioned above will ensure your Hoya Pottsii thrives. Is Hoya Pottsii toxic to pets? Yes, like many other Hoyas, Hoya Pottsii is toxic to pets if ingested. Keep your plant out of reach of curious cats and dogs. How do I encourage my Hoya Pottsii to flower? Providing adequate light, allowing the plant to become slightly root-bound, and maintaining consistent watering practices can all contribute to flower production. Can I propagate Hoya Pottsii? Absolutely. Hoya Pottsii can be propagated through stem cuttings. Take a healthy stem cutting with a few nodes, allow the cut end to callus over, and then plant it in a well-draining potting mix. Hoya Pottsii versus Hoya carnosa. Hoya Pottsii is often compared to its close relative, Hoya carnosa, another popular Hoya variety. Here's a quick breakdown of the key differences. Leaves. Hoya carnosa typically has larger, fleshier leaves compared to the more pointed and ridged leaves of Hoya Pottsii. Flowers. Hoya carnosa flowers are generally larger and more clustered than those of Hoya Pottsii. Hoya carnosa flowers can also come in a wider range of colors, including pink and red, while Hoya Pottsii blooms are primarily white or cream. Growth habit. Both Hoyas can be trained to climb or trail. However, Hoya carnosa tends to be a more vigorous grower compared to Hoya Pottsii. Hoya Pottsii versus Nicholsoniae. Here's the thing, though, My Hoya Pottsii seems a bit fussier. It throws tantrums if I underwater it for even a day, its leaves getting all crispy. Hoya Nicholsoniae, on the other hand, seems a little more forgiving. It can bounce back from a slight underwatering with minimal drama. Maybe it's just a personality difference between my two plants, but it's made me a little more relaxed about watering the Nicholsoniae specifically. In conclusion, Hoya Pottsii is a captivating addition to any plant collection. Its unique foliage, fragrant blooms, and relatively low maintenance care requirements make it a favorite among Hoya enthusiasts. With a little patience and following the care tips outlined above, you can cultivate a thriving Hoya Pottsii that will add beauty and fragrance to your home for years to come.